Hey everyone, welcome back to The Varied Life. In today's video, we're diving into the Wainlux K10 laser engraver. This small, budget-friendly desktop engraver is perfect for beginners and those who want to get into laser engraving without breaking the bank. Now, I'm brand new to laser engraving and I don't know anything about it. So when Wainlux sent me an email asking me if I would like to review the K10, I agreed. I didn't receive any money for this video or future videos. I'll give you my honest opinion about the K10 as somebody who's brand new, and I don't know anything, so that should be pretty easy. By the way, Wainlux did send this unit free of charge, but I'm under no obligation to make any positive remarks about it. So with that out of the way, let's continue on. So let's check inside the box, and the first thing that stands out is the owner's manual, which is pretty thick. It has a lot of useful instructions, they're easy to follow, and I appreciate that. The next thing that we have is a handy reference card that shows different materials in which you can engrave using the K10. This is a very important piece of paper, so you probably want to put this into a document protector or laminate it because you will reference it over and over again during your laser engraving activities. Now, also included are a couple of samples of basewood, and we'll put these to use in our test prints. And then we have a little bag that has a number of materials. The first thing is a brush so that you can brush your prints and get rid of any residue. We have a dry erase marker. We'll set that off to the side. And then we have two pieces of cardstock that we will also engrave on. And then we have a black coated piece of paper, and this is used for focusing the laser, and we will use this a little bit later on. Now, the last thing included are a couple of Allen wrenches, and those are used with the accessories that you can purchase separately, so hang on to these. Now, this also includes some tools and accessories. And as we open up this box, we'll find a couple of things in here. The first one being the USB to USB-C cord, where you can hook up your K10 to your laptop or desktop computer. The other thing that we see are some safety glasses, and you might need those when working with lasers. And the last thing that we have is the power adapter. And depending on where you live, this is available in 110 or 220 volt. I have 220 where I live, so that's what I received. Now let's talk specifications. The K10 measures 204 millimeters by 225 by 187 millimeters. For those of us in the United States, that's about 8 by 8.8 by 7.3 inches. Now, it should be noted that the engraving area is 80 millimeters by 80 millimeters, or 3.14 inches by 3.14, which is perfect for smaller desktop projects. As for the engraving accuracy, it's 0.01 millimeters, which makes it precise for detailed work. Now, there's two different versions of the K10. One is a 3-watt version, and the one that I have here, the Pro, is a 5-watt. It should be noted that the 5-watt is twice as fast as the 3-watt version. Now, the K10 uses air cooling for heat dissipation to keep things from overheating with longer projects. I have personally tested this over a period of 8 to 9 hours and didn't experience any problems, so I would say that's a success. The unit is fully enclosed with a transparent orange window that allows you to see what you're engraving, but also protects your eyes from the laser itself. Now, when we're talking about data transmission, the K10 can be hooked up to your PC or Mac using the USB cable or Wi-Fi. The unit itself works off of their own software, the CutLab X, and they also have a phone app as well. Now, the K10 laser engraver also supports a wide range of graphic formats such as JPEG, BMP, PNG, DXF, and more that you can find on their website. So basically anything you can draw, design, or find online, you can engrave. I need to ask you a favor. Could you please like and subscribe to The Varied Life? And if you're inclined, you can even buy me a coffee by clicking the link in the description box down below. All proceeds will go back to the channel and help me make more hobby and tech videos. With that being said, let's get back to the K10. Now, during the test prints, what I ended up using was the supplied basswood, and we did some little engravings like you can see here. Did the test prints, make sure that everything came out okay, and we got some good results on the basswood. We did more testing on the basswood with this Viking axe and using the phone app, and everything worked out pretty good. We can see the details are really nice, and it turned out well. We continued on and we moved on to engraving some bamboo. This was a total of 16 minutes, and as you can see, the K10 did a great job, and the final result turns out pretty well. Now, I wanted to see if the K10 would overheat, so I ran it for over 8 hours, and it looks pretty cool when it prints at night. We finished up the print in the morning, and we did some plated metal, and again, it was over 8 hours. The results came out great, though my centering skills do need some help. Then we moved on to some cardstock to check and see how well it printed on those. With that being said, you do need the brush to brush off the residue. We did some more basswood testing, and the quality of the graphic that you use does have some say on how well it will print on your materials. Here we have some different graphics, and you can see some of the lines were just so light that they didn't transfer over. So you need to keep that in mind as you print. And as we see with the Samurai Grayscale, we need to lower the power settings, so you will need to do some tweaking to get the most optimal engravings for your machine and material. To sum it all up, the Wainlux K10 5-watt laser engraver is a good option for beginners or crafters who are looking for a budget-friendly, entry-level compact machine that produces some good results. Of course, to get the optimal results, you'll have to tweak the settings, but that's pretty much a given with all laser engraving machines. Now be sure to like and subscribe because I will be making more videos with the K10. The next video, I will be using the CutLab X phone app and the steps you need to take to do your first laser engraving. Then in another video, I'll show you how to use the PC or Mac version of CutLab X to get the most out of your K10. So subscribe to see those and other hobby tech videos. Now you can find out more information about the K10 by checking out the links in the description box. By the way, there is an Amazon affiliate link you can use, but if you search online, you can find other places where you can get the K10 cheaper. And honestly, I would rather you save money doing that than using my affiliate link. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to stay up to date with what's going on with us. The Varied Life is we're retired in Korea. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.